Hello and welcome. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, on this channel we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects. In this video, we bring to you an amazing family home built using 5 shipping containers in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Welcome back. Sprawling over 2 levels, this modern house is built from 5 shipping containers. The design consists of 3 40-foot containers on the ground floor and 2 45-foot containers on the first floor, creating a total of 1,700 square feet of habitable space. The entire structure is framed out and insulated inside and out. The exterior of the home is insulated and covered with an appropriate plaster and render. This amazing home consists of 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, with a layout that provides a harmonious living experience. A double swing hurricane-proof door opens into a big open-plan living space. The inner container walls are cut out to create an expansive open-plan living room. This amazing space features a roomy kitchen with full-sized stainless steel appliances, a stylish kitchen backsplash, quartz countertops, quality custom-designed cabinets, a generous breakfast bar, and a large window that lights up the kitchen sink space. The living room is big enough to accommodate a big lounge area and a dining space. The living space is big enough to accommodate all your furniture needs. The living room is fitted with big glass windows and doors for maximum daylighting and cross ventilation. From the living room, there is a wooden swing door that opens into a guest toilet. Next is a spacious first bedroom with its own bathroom. A metal staircase leads to the second floor of the house. The upper floor has got 2 identical ensuite bedrooms. The 2 spacious bedrooms are big enough to accommodate queen-size beds and adequate wardrobe space. Each bedroom has got its own modern bathroom fitted with all the bathroom necessities. The second floor is fitted with a large glass door which opens onto a big rooftop terrace overlooking the large treed lot with plenty of space that can accommodate a swimming pool. From outside, there is no single hint that this is a shipping container house. The container walls were framed out and covered with plaster and render interspaced with wooden siding to create an interesting appearance. This amazing house project was conceived by a modular homes company, Ecotainer Concept, based in Florida. Which part of this amazing container house appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.